Hi dear students, good morning and welcome to the new episode of English class. In the previous episodes we started our revision and today we are moving on to page number 21, revision from page number 21. All of you take page number 21, that is grammar. We are studying grammar. 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 We are going to study grammar. Page number 21. Page 21. Okay. Then look at your text. Take a text. All of you listen. I have 8 words and they help me to know about a lot of things. The names of my friends are what, where, how, who, which, whose and why. How many? The first word is what. The first word is W-H-A-T, what. Then second word where. W-H-E-R-E, where, what. Where. Then which is the next word? How. H-O-W, how. Then next one W-H-O, who. Then which. W-H-I-C-H, which. Then whose, W-H-O-S-E, whose, and why, W-H-Y. How many words are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6, 7. Then there is another word when, W-H-E-N, when, W-H-E-N, when. Eighth one is W-H-E-N. These 8 words are called question words or WH words. Question word, these 8 words are used for asking any question. If we want to know anything about something or anything about anything, we can use these 8 words. These words are called WH question words. WH family of question words. How many in WH family of question words? How many question words are there? 8 question words are there, and 7 ones begins with WH and only one begins with H, H-O-W, H, and it is an exceptional case, H-O-W, and in that question word also W and H are already there, so these words are called WH family of question words. WH family of question words. How many question words are there in WH family of question words? 8 question words are there. How many? 8. Which are they? Which are the 8 question words in WH family of question words? Where, when, what, who, whose, which, why and how. Which are the question words? Where, when, what, which, who, whose, then how and what. Okay. Listen here once again. What, where, how, who, which, whose, why, when. These are the WH family of question words. WH family of question words. And what is used to ask about things? What is used to ask about things? When we want to ask about something, we can use the question word what to ask about the things. Okay. Then where is used to ask about the places, place, and how is used to how is used to ask about something, how something is done. How is used to ask about the way something is done. The way something is done. The way something is done. Something is done. D-O-N-E, done. Then who is asked about to know about a person? Who is used to ask about someone? Who is used to ask about someone? S-O-M-E-O-N-E, someone. Then which is used to ask about which is used to ask about the choice of things. When we have to take a choice, we use which. Choice of things, C-H-O-I-C-E, choice of things. And whose is used to ask about someone's Possession, 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 possession. Then why is used to ask about the ask for a reason. Why is used to ask for a reason. For a reason. R-E-A-S-O-N, reason. And when is asked used to ask about. When is used to ask about time. When time. The answer will be time. When. Okay. Which are the WH family of question words? Which are the question words included in the WH family of question words? What, which, when, where, why, who, whose, and how. Okay, is it clear? 7 words begins with the WH, and how is the exceptional case, and it also have the letters W and H, so it is also included in the WH family of question words. Okay, then where we use what is used to ask about the things. Then where is used to ask about the place. When is used to ask about the time. When is used to ask about the time, time. And which is used to ask when there is choice of things. Who is used to ask about the someone, and whose is used to ask about the someone's possession. Who, the question word who is used to ask about the someone, that means some person, and whose is used to ask about someone's possession, ownership. If we want to know whose car is this or who owned that car, we can ask whose car is this, whose classroom is this, whose school is this. Okay, we can ask the questions like this. Okay, then how is used to ask about the way how something is done, about the way how something is done. Okay, is it clear? Then listen to page number 22. All of you listen. WH words table. You prepare a table about the WH question words and which question word is used for which reason. Which question word is used for, used in which context, or when we want to know about something, we can use the word what. When we want to know about a person, we can ask who. When we want to know about the possession of something, someone's possession, we use the question word whose. When we want to question about the reason, we can use the question word why. And when we want to know about the place, we can ask where. And when we want to know about the time, we can ask when. And when we have to make a choice between many things, we can use the question word which. Okay, then filling the blanks with the WH word. Each word only use once, that is not necessary, and I had already told you to strike out the second part. Strike out means to cross the words. Filling the blanks with the WH word is enough. Then first exercise, you take page number 22, last part, and take the first one. Dash bag is this. Dash bag is this. Dash bag is this. We are asking about the ownership or possession. Who is the owner of the bag? We can ask who is the owner of the bag. Then we use which word we can use there. Whose bag is this? Whose bag is this? Is the correct question word is. The suitable question word is whose. W-H-O-S-E, whose. W-H-O-S-E, whose. This question word is used for when we want to know who is the owner of that thing, or when we want to know whose ownership is in this. Okay, then to know the ownership or to know someone's possession, we use the question word whose. Then dash are the leaves green. Dash are the leaves green. Second one, dash are the leaves green. L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves green. Dash are the leaves green. It is a question, and we want to know the reason for why the leaves are green. And which question word we use to know the reason? Why. Why is used for knowing the reason. So we can ask the question, why are the leaves green? Why are the leaves green? The correct suitable question word. The suitable question word we can use in this context is why. Okay. Then the third one, dash do you work? Third one, dash do you work? You work. Dash do you work? We want to know the place. We want to know the place. Where do you work? Where do you work? The question word is where. The suitable question word is where. Where do you work? Where do you work? The next one, dash will mummy come back from the market? Dash, fourth one is a dash will mummy M-U-M-M-Y, mummy come back from the market. Come back, C-O-M-E-B-A-C-K, come back from the market. From the market. From the market. Okay, listen, understand? Do you understand the meaning of the question? Will dash will mummy come back from the market? We want to know the time. We want to know the time. When we want to know the time, which question word we use? When. The question word is when. The suitable question word is when. When will mummy come back from the market? When will mummy come back from the market? Okay. Then next one. Dash will you go in the holidays? Dash. Fifth one. Dash will you go? Will you go in the holidays? Will you go in the holidays? H-O-L-I-D-A-Y-S. Dash. Will you go in the holidays? We want to know the place. Then, where will you go in the holidays? The question word, suitable question word is where. Where will you go in the holidays? Then sixth one. Which is the sixth one? Dash have you not worn proper uniform? Dash have you not? Have you not? Dash have you not worn proper uniform? W-O-R-N. Worn proper uniform. P-R-O-P-E-R. Proper uniform. U-N-I-F-O-R-M. Uniform. U-N-I-F-O-R-M. Then we want to know the reason about not wearing the uniform. For knowing the reason, which question word we use? We use the question word why. We use the question word why. W-H-Y. Why have you not worn the proper uniform? Then seventh one. You listen. Seventh one is dash book did you like the best? Dash book. Dash book did you like the best? Dash book did you like the best? We have to make a choice. We have a choice. That means there are so many books are there, and which book you like most? Which book did you like the best? The question word is which. W-H-I-C-H. Which is the question word we can use there? Which. W-H-I-C-H. And the last one, dash much did this pen cost? Dash much did this pen cost? C-O-S-T. Dash much did this pen cost? We want the way something is done. Okay, then we can use the question word how much did this pen cost? How much did the pen cost? Okay, you listen to these questions. I read once again. You please listen. Whose bag is this? It's a question. And why are the leaves green? Why are the leaves green? We want to know the reason for that. Where do you work? We want to know the place. Then when will mommy come back from the market? We want to know the time. Where will you go in the holidays? We want to know the place. Why have you worn proper uniform? Why have you worn proper uniform? Why have you not worn? Why have uniform. We want to know the reason. Then which book did you like the best? We have a choice. We have to select from a choice. And how much did this pen cost? Okay, these are the question words. And listen, frame questions to the following answers. We can frame questions from the answers. Answers are given in the text and we have to frame some questions for that. The first answer is my father works in CFL. Which is the first answer? My father works in WORKS, works in CFL is a company. CFL. My father works in CFL. You write a question for that. We want to know, we know the place. Okay, where is his father working, and we want to ask the question. We need to ask the question. Then which is the question? Which question word we use to know the place? Where? Then where does your father work is the question. Where does, first one. The question is where does your father work? Your father work. WORK. Where does your father work? Then the answer is my father works in CFL. My father works in CFL. Where does your father work? Then next answer is my friend's name is Anish. Second answer is my friend's name is Anish. My friend's name is Manish. FRIEND, friend, apostrophe S, friends. Name is Manish, MINISS. Okay, we want to know the thing. What's your name? Then my name is Maya. Like that. Here, my friend's name is Manish. Then what will be the question? What is your friend's name? What is your friend's name? What is the name of your friend, or we can ask what is your friend's name? Friend's name. Okay, this is the question. Whenever you write the question, you write at the end of the question, you put a question mark. Then the third one, I will celebrate my birthday at home. We want to know the place. I will celebrate my birthday. Third one, I will celebrate my birthday at home. I will celebrate, celebrate my birthday at home. I will celebrate my birthday at home. What will be the question? Where will you celebrate your birthday? Where will you? It is the place at home. Where will you celebrate your birthday? Where will you? The question. Where will you celebrate your birthday? Where will you celebrate your birthday? Okay, it's a question. So I put a question mark at the end. Then second last one. The cost of this dress is rupees 5,000. Fourth one. The cost of this dress is rupees 5,000. rupees 5,000. Okay, then what will be the question? How much this dress cost? How much does this dress cost? How much this dress cost? How much this dress cost? And last question, last answer is my granny gifted me this dress. Fifth one. My granny gifted me this dress. My granny gifted me this dress. We want to know the person. The answer is the person. We want to know the person. So what will be the question? Who gifted you this dress? Who gifted you this dress? Who gifted you this dress? Okay. These are the question words. These are how we frame the questions. Once again, I will read the question and answers. Where does your father work? My father works in CFL. What is your friend's name? My friend's name is Manish. My friend's name is Manish. Then, my friend's name is Manish. Then, I will celebrate my birthday at home. Where will you celebrate your birthday? Then the cost of this dress is rupees 5,000. How much does this dress cost? Then my granny gifted me this dress. Who gifted you this dress? Who gifted you this dress? Okay. Next one, articles. Which are the articles? A, an and are. The articles. A-R-T-I-C-L-E-S. Articles. A, an and the are called the articles. A, an and the are the three articles in English. A, an and are called articles. These two articles are indefinite articles. A and an are indefinite articles. A and an are called indefinite article and the is a definite article. Definite article. Okay. A and an are indefinite articles and the is a definite article. In the following sentences, the article have not been used correctly. Circle the incorrect article and write the correct article. Okay. Mummy bought a fruits today. The sentence is, first sentence, Mummy, M-U-M-M-Y, Mummy bought, past tense of buy, bought, B-O-U-G-H-T, bought a fruits today. A fruits, F-R-U-I-T-S, a fruits today, T-O-D-A-Y, today. Okay, this is the given sentence. Mommy bought a fruit today. A is not correctly used here because it is plural. It is not singular. A fruits, not a fruits. It is the fruits. Definite article the. We have to use the definite article the here. So you strike out or circle the incorrect article and write the correct article in the space. And the sentence will become, Mommy bought the fruits today. Mommy bought the fruits today. Is it clear? Then second one, and principal will address the assembly today. Second one, and principal, P-R-I-N-C-I-P-A-L, principal will address the assembly today. Will ADDRESS address the assembly today. Address the assembly. ASSEMBLY assembly today. TODAY today. Okay. Which is the incorrect article here? This is the incorrect article. It is not an principle. And the is used before a special or particular person. The principal is there is only one principal in a school, and the principal will address the assembly today. Is the correct usage. The correct preposition is the. Correct article, not preposition. Not preposition. The correct article is the definite article the. Okay. And the third sentence is how was an book. How was an book. HOW. How was and we take page number 23. All of them listen to the board. How was an book. I gave you to read. I gave you to read. I gave you to read. Here an book is not correct because the book is specially mentioned. He gave a book to that person. Then he is mentioning about that particular book he had given. Then we can use the definite article the. How was the book I gave you to read? How was the book I gave you to read? And the correct article is the. The. Okay. Correct article is the. Then fourth one, there is a best dress. This is a best dress that I have. Fourth one, this is a best dress that I have. That I have. It is not correctly, the article is not correctly used here because it is the best dress is the correct article. A is not correct, so we circle the incorrect article and we are mentioning about only one. We are comparing the best. Whenever we use the superlative degree, we use the definite article the in front of the superlative degree. This is the superlative degree. Good, better, best is the superlative degree. So we use the definite article the. This is the dress. It's the correct usage. This is the dress that I have. The best dress that I have. This is the best dress that I have. The last example. Our family is going on the vacation. Fifth one. Our family is going on the vacation. VACATION vacation to Pune. It is not correctly used. Our family is going on the vacation. There is no vacation is mentioned here. No particular vacation or no special vacation is mentioned here. So our family is going on a vacation to Pune. Going on a vacation. A is the correct article there. Okay. Then this is the correction of article. I will read with the correct articles. Mummy bought the fruits today. A is not correct. You can circle A and write D in the place. Then the principal will address assembly today. The principal is the correct usage. So we can circle the and write the correct article in that place. And how was and book is incorrect. And is not needed there. The correct article is the. How was the book I gave you to read? Then this is a best dress. It is not correct. With the superlative degree we use the definite article the. This is the best dress that I have. Then our family is going on the vacation to Pune. It is not correct. Going on a vacation to Pune. Okay. Is it clear? Then we are moving on to the next page. Page number 24. What if we take page number 24? Page number 24. Take turns to say the sentences with the missing articles. Articles are missing in these sentences and you make the sentences meaningful by adding the articles, suitable articles. Then first one is I called watchman, he looked at me. There is no article in that sentence and we can add an article. I called the watchman, he looked at me. These the correct article there. Then first one, what lovely dress. Which is the first one? What lovely dress. What lovely dress. What lovely dress. Okay, is it a complete sentence? No. An article is needed there to be there to make the sentence complete. Which article? What a lovely dress is the correct usage. The answer is what a lovely dress. Yes, what a lovely dress. Okay, what a lovely dress. What a lovely dress. Then the sentence will become meaningful. What a lovely dress. What a lovely dress. Okay, now the sentence is very correct. Next one, second one. We will go to see Taj Mahal in Agra. Agra. Taj Mahal is only one. Okay, only one Taj Mahal is there. So we have to use the definite article the and we can change the sentence into what we will go to see the Taj Mahal in Agra. Second one. We will go to see. We will go to see the Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal. TAJMAHAL. Taj Mahal in Agra. AGRA. Okay, is it clear? Then the third one. Sri Lanka is island. It is not a perfect sentence. Sri Lanka is an island. Sri Lanka. Third one. Sri Lanka is an island. Island. It is written as Iceland. Iceland. And we are pronouncing it as island. Sri Lanka is an island. Then fourth one, moon revolves around the sun. There is only one moon and there is only one earth. And we can say the moon revolves around this earth. The moon, fourth one, the moon revolves around REVOLVES, revolves around the earth. Around the earth. EARTH. The moon revolves around the earth. Next one, last one. Mangoes mummy bought from market are sweet. The mangoes. Fifth one. The mangoes. This is used here. The mangoes mummy bought from the market. Mummy bought. Mummy. BOUGHT. Bought from the market. That particular market. That particular mangoes mummy bought from that particular market. The market are sweet. Okay, this is all about the articles. Today we studied the question words, WH family of question words and articles. I will read the sentence once again. Please listen. What a lovely dress. First one, A is needed there. Second one, we will go to see the Taj Mahal in Agra. The definite article D is used there. Sri Lanka is an island and is needed here. Then the moon revolves around the earth. The definite article D is used there. The mangoes mummy bought from the market are sweet. The definite article D is used here. Okay, and today let us wind up our class and we can meet in the next class with the revision of another lesson. And thank you.